So Google just released yet another powerful and new AI video generator model, which is VEO 3.1. I'm going to show you how to use it for free in N8N. Yes, you heard it right, for free. So the first thing you have to do is just join our Discord server and paste in this template we got for you on N8N. This one will allow you to use VEO 3.1 for free. Now we'll have to do a couple of configuration, of course. Now all you have to do is just go to Google Cloud. We'll have to set up some configurations in order to be able to use VEO 3.1. So as you can see here, it says try Google Cloud with $300 in free credits. So basically they're giving us $300 in free credits. So yeah, start by creating your account. For that, click on try for free. Once you do that, you will have to choose your country, set up a name and address, and then you will have to set up a payment method. And then click on start for free. It will not charge you, by the way, for any money. You just have to input your payment method for validation and verification purposes. So after you do that, just click on start for free. Alright, once you do that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard here. First of all, just click on the 3 lines here, go to Vertex AI and then look for Vertex AI Studio. Choose VEO 3.1 preview here and then go click on get code. Alright, after you do that, we'll have to scroll down a bit. We'll need the project ID. So copy the project ID, go back to N8N. In configuration here, this node, just paste in the project ID here. Alright. These you don't have to change. They are pretty much the same for every user. After you do that, you will have to move into the next configuration. So go to the generate video node and you will have to create a new credential. So click on create new credential. Copy this OAuth redirect URL. Go back to Google Cloud. Select the 3 lines again. Go API and services and credentials. Alright, once you do that, click on create credentials here and look for OAuth client ID. Here you will be creating an application. So under application type, select web application. You can give it a name or you can leave it like that. After you do that, scroll down to authorized redirect URIs. Add URI and paste in the link that you got from N8N and then click on create. Alright, as you can see here, now focus. Now you will have to copy this client ID, go back to N8N, paste in the client ID there, and then go to client secret, copy it, and paste it here. For the scope, just paste in this one here. I will leave it in the description for you guys to copy and paste. Alright, after you do that, you will have to click on sign in with Google. But before that, do not do that yet. Just go back to Google Cloud. You can close that. Go back to the application you created, Web Client 2. Alright, and then go to audience. You will have to add a test user. So click on add users, input the email that you have created this application with. Once you do add the email, click on save. Alright, we should be set. Now we can go ahead in N8N and click on the sign in with Google button. And it will ask you to choose an account. So for this case, choose the account that you have used for Google Cloud. Alright, don't be afraid here. Just click on continue when you see the screen. And then scroll down a bit and click on continue. So yeah, after setting up everything, so basically everything is set up already. We have done the configuration and we have done the authentication for the API in Google Cloud to use VEO 3.1. And now it's ready to be used. So let's give it a try. Let's go to execute workflow here. Select the resolution, aspect ratio, the duration you can go with 4, 6 or 8 seconds. Start image, basically the reference image. You can choose whether to generate audio or no. We'll go with audio and click on submit. And now wait for the workflow to finish executing. Let us know in the comments what creations are you gonna do. I'm looking forward into knowing what you guys are gonna use VEO 3.1 for. And yeah, let's see the output now. Let's wait for it. Alright, our workflow has finished executing. We can go here to get video node. Click on view and let's watch the video together.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the jungle vlog. Check out this incredible view behind me.
Alright, that's actually good. So yeah, guys, this has been how to use VEO 3.1 for free on N8N. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.